Belacan Perlis Malaysia is one of the product SME that has been established not only in Perlis but also in other states in Malaysia. This product has been established in the industry since 2004. Not only that, the workers come from her members' family. They also want to help her to expand this production. Belacan Perlis is located at Kuala Perlis and will be more growing in the future. From that conclusion, we can say that Belacan Perlis is one of the successful SME production in Malaysia, and also will be helps others workers to be more successful in their life, because when this company open their business, it help others to be one of their workers and also be in the industry to be one of the SME too.
Production capacity of the SME Belacan company depend on the supply of shrimp from local fishermen, workforce, equipment, time and operation space. Shrimp supply is influenced by winter season and lunar breeze and ocean current. When shrimp supply increase, production capacity can be expanded to meet customer demand. Rainy seasons can reduce production capacity because shrimp catch decrease and the drying process take longer due to limited sunlight. Production output also depend on availability of worker and machinery. To improve capacity, the company can invest in modern drying equipment, additional machine efficient packaging technology and large workforce to ensure consistent production through the year.
Belacan Penghelih maintain product quality by using fresh udang geragam, sourced from local fishermen in Kuala Perlis. The shrimp are properly cleaned and mixed with the quality salt and preserve freshness and flavor. The company also emphasizes hygiene by ensuring clean equipment, hygiene work areas and proper personal hygiene practices among workers. In addition, the fermentation process is carefully controlled by them, maintained to the traditional taste, texture, quality and the product. Moisture level of monitor to keep belacan soft, fresh, while still packaging help protect it from contamination during storage and transportation. Customer satisfaction is active to consistent product quality, encourage repeat purchases and strengthen the company reputation. However, improvement can be made to vacuum packaging, standard operating procedure, regular inspection, and food safety certification such as HACCP. Or, in conclusion, Belacan Penghelih quality to goods raw material, hygiene control, fermentation, proper packaging, and custom e-focus practices. Next, I will present section 2.4, which is location analysis of Belacan Penghelih. Kuala Perlis is a strategic location for producing belacan basah because it is close to the sea, providing easy access fresh shrimp from local fishermen. This helps ensure continuous supply of the high quality raw material while reducing transportation costs. The area also offers experienced local workers with knowledge of seafood processing, supporting smooth production activities. In addition, Kuala Perlis is a popular transport point for tourists traveling to Langkawi, creating opportunity to increase sales and promote the product. The warm climate in Perlis support traditional fermentation and drying process, while good transportation link allow product to the distribute to nearby states. However, challenges such as rainy weather, limited production space, a localized market still exist. This can be improved to indoor drying facilities, better ventilation system, and stronger online marketing. In conclusion, Kuala Perlis provide many advantages that support the growth and success of Belacan Penghelih.
Moving on to factory layout analysis of Belacan Penghelih. Factory layout refers to the arrangement of machines, workers and workspaces to ensure smooth and efficient production activities. Based on our observation, Belacan Penghelih operates in a compact SME production facility that uses a process layout. This means each production activity such as washing, grinding, drying, packaging and storage is separated into different sections. The company arranges its workspace strategically to reduce unnecessary movement and improve workflow efficiency. For example, the grinding machines are placed near the preparation area, while the drying section is located in an open space for better airflow and sunlight. This layout also makes supervision easier and helps maintain product quality. However, there are several weaknesses such as limited space, ventilation issues and possible congestion during high production demand. Therefore, Therefore, we suggest improving the zoning system, adding better ventilation, expanding storage areas, and implementing 5S management practices to improve efficiency and workplace organization. Moving on to supply chain management analysis of Belacan Penghelih. Supply chain management refers to the coordination of activities involving suppliers, production, storage and distribution to ensure products reach customers efficiently. Based on our observation, Belacan Penghelih uses a simple but stable supply chain system suitable for a small-scale manufacturing business. The company mainly obtains prawns from a trusted local wholesaler who has been supplying them for many years. This helps maintain consistent raw material quality and stable production activities. After receiving the prawns, the company carries out cleaning, grinding, drying and packaging before distributing the products to local markets and customers around Penghelih. However, there are some weaknesses in the supply chain system, such as dependency on one supplier, limited logistic capacity, and fluctuating seafood prices. Therefore, we suggest that the company diversify its suppliers, improve inventory management using digital records, and expand distribution through online platforms and retailers.
The first weakness is the production process is still done manually, so it will make low efficiency and inconsistent output. To improve this, the company can invest in some automated machine and hire part-time workers during the peak season. And the second weakness is the seasonal issue. The supply of scrim and the drying process depend heavily on the weather. So during the rainy season, it will bring big problem to the production process. To overcome this, the company can store the dry scrim and use food dehydrator machine to ensure continuous production. The third weakness is the raw material and operating cost increase will force the product price increase. The company can reduce costs by building the long-term partnership with the supplier and choosing more cost-effective logistic method. The next weakness is the customer base is limited because the Belacan has a strong and unique flavor that may not accept by everyone, especially for the foreigner. The company can increase the awareness to free tasting activities, social media content, and introducing the Belacan to international restaurants to let others try the Belacan.
In conclusion, Belacan Penghelih have a high potential to expand their business not only in Malaysia but also in globally. Belacan Penghelih have a very good qualities such as in how they keep product in good condition and also give a feedback have received it from the customer. Next, Belacan Penghelih need to follow SOP and workflow that has been written in their rules to make sure all the product always in a good condition. Next, Belacan Penghelih also need to make sure their product stable to get attention not only from all customer but from new customer. In addition, Belacan Penghelih can give many benefits to all customers and also Malaysian because the product give a good benefit such as in opportunity of works to be in business journals and also give a opportunity to make sure people know how good taste in Belacan Penghelih.